Which space agency has cleared an Indian astronaut's 14-day Axiom 4 mission to the space station? A. ISRO. B. NASA. C. ESA. D. Roscosmos. Correct answer is NASA. NASA has green-lighted the Axiom 4 mission to be piloted by India's Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla. The Indian astronaut will be joined by 3 others on the 14-day mission to the International Space Station. The crew will launch aboard a SpaceX Dragon spacecraft and travel to the space station. Once docked, the private astronauts plan to spend up to 14 days aboard the orbiting laboratory. Shubhanshu Shukla will be the first Indian astronaut to go to the space station, who is also part of the Indian Air Force. Shukla has also been selected as an astronaut in India's Gaganyaan mission. Who has been appointed as the head of the Judicial Commission to investigate the Mahakumbh stampede? A. Justice Arun Mishra. B. Justice Harsh Kumar. C. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. D. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul. Correct answer is Justice Harsh Kumar. The Uttar Pradesh government of Yogi Adityanath has set up a 3-member judicial committee headed by retired judge of the Allahabad High Court Justice Harsh Kumar to inquire into the stampede incident in Mahakumbh at Prayagraj on 29 January 2025. According to the Uttar Pradesh government, 30 people were killed and 60 were injured in the pre-dawn stampede at the Sangam area of the Mahakumbh as millions of people rushed to take a holy dip on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya, New Moon Day, on 29 January 2025. Who was the chief guest at the first Raisina Middle East Conference? A. Narendra Modi. B. Rajnath Singh. C. S. Jaishankar. D. Ajit Doval. Correct answer is S. Jaishankar. The first Raisina Middle East Conference was held in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, capital city, Abu Dhabi, on the 28th and 29th January 2025. External Affairs Minister Dr.S. Jaishankar was the chief guest of the first Raisina Middle East Conference. Dr.S. Jaishankar was on a 3-day official visit to the UAE on the 27th and 29th January 2025. This was the third visit to the UAE by Dr. Jaishankar since he was reappointed as the External Affairs Minister in June 2024. Who has been awarded the Vayu Sena Medal in 2025? A. Abhinandan Varthman. B. Vivek Ram Chaudhary. C. Akshay Saxena. D. Deepak Singh. Correct answer is Akshay Saxena. Wing Commander Akshay Saxena has been awarded the Vayu Sena Medal, Gallantry, for his exceptional contributions during anti-piracy operations in the Arabian Sea. This recognition marks the increasing threats posed by piracy in international waters, particularly from Houthi rebels targeting merchant vessels. The operation, conducted on 16 March last year, was part of the Indian Navy's Operation Sankalp, aimed at ensuring maritime security in the region. Which institution has launched BIMCoin, India's first campus blockchain currency? A. IIM Ahmedabad. B. IIT Bombay. C. BIMTech. D. ISB Hyderabad. Correct answer is BIMTech. BIMTech has launched BIMCoin, India's first blockchain-based campus currency, to facilitate secure and transparent transactions within its ecosystem. This digital currency operates on a permissioned blockchain, ensuring decentralization and security. On which occasion was the India Gate illuminated in purple orange on 30th January 2025? A. World Cancer Day. B. World Leprosy Day. C. World Neglected Tropical Diseases, NTD, Day. Correct answer is World Neglected Tropical Diseases, NTD, Day. The iconic India Gate was illuminated on 30th January 2025 in vibrant hues of purple and orange colors on the occasion of World Neglected Tropical Diseases Day. The World Neglected Tropical Diseases Day is observed every year since 2022 on 30th January to raise awareness about neglected tropical diseases. On this occasion, across the world, iconic landmarks are lit up to emphasize the importance of the world's collective action to combat these debilitating diseases. Who inaugurated the Sci-Fi Science Film Festival of India? A. Piyush Goyal. B. Dharmendra Pradhan. C. Pramod Sawant. D. Ashwini Vaishnav. Correct answer is Pramod Sawant. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant inaugurated the 10th Sci-Fi Science Film Festival of India in Panji on 29 January 2025. The 4-day 10th Sci-Fi Science Film Festival of India will be held in Panji from 29 January to 1 February 2025. The annual Sci-Fi Science Film Festival of India is organized by the Goa government every year to foster curiosity, scientific temperament, and enthusiasm amongst the students. What is the total outlay approved by the Union Cabinet for the National Critical Mineral Mission, NCMM, over 7 years? Correct answer is 34,300 crore. The Union Cabinet approved the National Critical Mineral Mission, NCMM, with a total outlay of 34,300 crore rupees over 7 years. The mission aims to strengthen India's self-reliance in critical minerals, in alignment with the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. When will the Indian Coast Guard celebrate its 49th Raising Day? A. 15th January 2025. B. 26th January 2025. C. 1st February 2025. Correct answer is 1st February 2025. The Indian Coast Guard, ICG, is set to celebrate its 49th Raising Day on 1st February 2025, commemorating nearly 5 decades of dedicated service in securing India's vast maritime boundaries, an official press release by the ICGT stated. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.